The graph of a function is given below. Give all x-intercepts and y-intercepts shown. So we understand that y-intercept is simply where it's going to cross the y-axis, and x-intercept is the point at which it crosses the x-axis. And the things that we know about these two important places, if it's the y-intercept, if it's crossing this y-axis, we know that the x value is always going to be 0. So it's going to have the form 0 and then some value there for the y depending on where it crosses. And then we would have excuse me, we would have just the opposite, some value, and then of course the y value for the x-intercepts is going to be 0, because if we're crossing at this point here, we have 0 vertical movement at all. So when we look at this graph, we see that the vertex of this parabola is touching the x-axis, and that's our x-intercept, and that it crosses the y-axis down here. Now we know from the way this parabola moves that it won't cross again. It will continue to go out and down to infinity, both directions. So in this that we're given, anyway, we can see that it's only crossing the x-axis once and the y-axis once. So this point here where it crosses, we're starting from the origin. We move 2 to the right and 0 vertically, so it's at the point 2, 0 is our x. And our y-intercept, we move 0 horizontally and then down 1, 2, 3, and -4, so it'll be 0, -4. These are the coordinates. However, on ALEKS, it's just going to ask for the actual value where it is. So the x-intercept happens at, for the x-intercept, you would just fill in 2, and for the y-intercept, you would just fill in -4.